Hey guys, Miss Brown Butterfly One. LaDonna Angelique. I got to get used to my name change. But anyway, I'm here to share with you guys my Coach unboxing. So I've already opened up the box, but I wanted to share with you guys what I have. Okay. So let's start with the bag. This is a crossbody that I purchased probably about 3 weeks ago. They had a sale 3 weeks, probably longer than that because I've been having some family issues. But anyway, I think it's been probably about a month that I purchased this. Just getting ready for spring. And what this is, the light Ellen crossbody bag. And it is in the color stone blue. Ain't that pretty? That is the prettiest color. And that's the emblem. And then this is the strap that you put here. So I bought this bag. It was probably about $100 at the most. But that's the outside pocket. The strap, the tag. It originally retailed for $328. So I bought it for a third of that. This is the front, and then it flaps like this. It just flaps open. It has a magnet. And then on the inside, it has a pocket here, and then the main compartment. And then you have a little pocket there. Yeah, with the authentic tag that you know all Coach bags come with. And then you have your little card. But they don't come with bags because I do buy it from the outlet store. So they don't come with the duster bag, but it's okay because I put them in pillowcases. So yeah, this is the bag. Let me put this box down. And let me show you. That's how it kind of, don't mind my t-shirt. But yeah, just crossbody. That's all. Yeah, and I love it. I got it for my new spring bag. That's one of many that I'm sure I'll be buying. But yeah, I didn't have one that color. But first, what prompted me to purchase that crossbody was these. And these are the Coach Udele Spirit Rose Print Blue Multi Slides. So yeah, that's the box it came in. I got it in a size 6. And I'm not sure if you guys can see that. But yeah, it's just a slide. Really, really, really pretty. So, and it comes with this footwear care booklet. So this is the book that tells you how to care for your shoe. But this won't be an everyday wear. So yeah, that's the book. But let me show you. Look at that. It is amazing color. And it has the horse and buggy. And then it has the name, Coach. Then it has roses. And it's purple, different shades of purple, different shades of blue. So I got that. And I have the perfect dress to wear with it. It's just a casual little cotton everyday dress. Nothing special. So yeah, I got that to go with these. And they are a perfect match. Perfect match. So yeah, these were $30. And I ordered these online too. So, and they are size 6. That's the bottom. Haven't worn them yet because I'm waiting on spring. It's still a little cool and windy and raining in Georgia. So yeah, love these. I wish I could have got them in a different color too, so I would have bought 2 because they were dirt cheap. $30 for these. And they, Coach makes a good quality of anything. So you know I'm a Coach connoisseur. Anything Coach, I'm in. So yeah, those were the shoes and the bag. What they say? Thumbnail. So yeah, that's my quick Coach unboxing. If you guys want any information on where I purchase most of my Coach items at, go leave me a message, a comment, and I will be more than happy to share where I purchase all my discounted Coach. Great quality. Maybe last season, but it's okay with me because I'm not trendy. I don't like the trendy. Every year you got to buy the trendy thing. No. If it looks good, great quality, I wear it. Neutral color. You can mix and match with anything. So yeah, that's how I do my shopping. I don't follow the trends per se, but I get things that can last me season wise, yearly, if it's great quality. So yeah, I'm gonna come back and show you guys some other spring essentials that I got, because spring will be Saturday. So yeah, I am purging my wardrobe, and the things that I'm getting rid of, I'm replacing with some of the more carefree pieces, because I'm no longer in corporate. So I have a lot of that corporate clothing. So I'm getting rid of that and bringing in some new casual like things that transition from day to night or things like that. But anyway, that's not what we're here for. We're here for the Coach unboxing. So yeah, guys, if you guys have any information, want any more information on where I purchased my Coach items from, leave a comment below and I'll be sure to get you that information. But you do have to be a member, and then the more you buy, you become VIP. So and then you get free shipping on most of your items, and then I think you earn points too. So yeah, leave it in the comments below. I'll make sure I answer all comments pertaining to the Coach. So again, this is Donna Angelique, came to share with you guys my Coach unboxing. So any comments, questions, leave them below. Don't forget to thumbs up the video and subscribe. I am trying to grow my channel. I have plenty of views, but not a lot of subscribers. So if you would, guys, do me a favor, subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and that's it. Thank you guys for joining me for my Coach unboxing. See you guys in the next one. Bye. Love you.